guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use any CCTV as webcam. So during our lockdown we have to attend our classes or join meetings. So to do that we should have any webcam or CCTV, but there is a shortage of webcams in the market. So I created this video to help you use your CCTV as a webcam. So let's start. So it is a two-step process. First, connect your CCTV with your PC and make it ready. Then you have to install Manycam. So Manycam is a software that lets you connect your camera or your CCTV to your Zoom meeting. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So I currently don't have anything here, so I'm going to close this, and then you have to install OnWIF device manager. So this creates a link that Manycam requires for it to connect your CCTV to Zoom. So I'll show you how OnWIF looks, and then it will open OnWIF. So you will see only one camera, IP cam. Mine is an IP cam. So you have to click on live video. So in that live video you will see your video recording, and then you have to copy the link which is just below. So you have to just right click on the link and copy it. You have to minimize this and you have to open Manycam. So in Manycam you have to add an IP camera. So first add an IP camera. I'm going to name it test1. You can name it whatever you want, and you have to just paste the URL here. And then you have to click on create. You have to go back, and then you have to right click and click on IP cameras and add your camera. So this is my camera loaded. And then how do you use it on Zoom? So minimize this, and I'll minimize this. You have to open Zoom, and for example I'm using a new meeting, so I'll click on new meeting. Then as you can see I have my camera here. So sometimes it doesn't detect this camera, so you have to click on this shield icon, and then you will see this Manycam virtual cam. So you can do any setting you want. For example, enable HD, you can mirror your video, or you can adjust for low light, or even you can touch up your experience or appearance. So you could close this, and this is how you can use your CCTV as a webcam, and you can also use it as Zoom. Thanks everyone. Like, share and subscribe my channel.